fun video in store for you. My buddy Jamie sent some jumps super far. Got some ripping around on the YZ. Just a lot of cool footage. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get right into it. Jesus, Jamie. I can't. Oh my God! Dude, that was ridiculous! Oh my God! Oh my God, that 450 is insane! Dude, it's absolutely bonkers. Dude, there's like literally no way in hell I'm keeping up with him. Dude's insane. There's two tabletops here, and I know he's good enough, but the track is super dry, dusty, and a lot of people on it, kind of sketchy. I don't know if he'll try it, but that jump face off that table, jump and land on this other tabletop over here. Woo!
I got that.
You got it?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah, you gotta hit it where that lip is.
Oh, he's marking it.
Y'all bench racing?
He's gonna jump both the tables.
What? All the way.
Watch out, watch out.
I can't believe I just did that goon ass shit. And I backed off. If I didn't, I'd have downsided it. What the hell, bro? Wow.
Props for sending it though.
Yeah, sending it, but I almost hurt that guy. That's
Yeah,
so
he
dumb.
was pissed off.
Yeah.
And
I didn't know you were getting ready to do it right then. I'd have blocked it off for you.
I feel like an asshole right now, man. I just backed off. I thought I had too much speed.
No. A little more.
I mean, I would have slid out before I hit him, but regardless, I scared that guy.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to worry about that.
I totally get it, but nothing happened. Like, you didn't even touch him.
Nah.
So he's fine.
I want to get it clean though, because dude, I landed. I was like, shit.
Owen, watch this. The guy's about to do a super big jump. You'll love it.
good.
Oh my God, dude.
That's a big shit though.
I was wondering why y'all were worried about that lane, but now I get it.
I think I got it this time.
You got it.
That's my wheels are good.
Oh, he's getting smoother every time, but I don't think it's possible to make that corner, bro. Are you kidding me, dude? You're flying.
Oh, it's so fast.
Yeah.
I think I'm hitting 4.
You're flying.
On a 450 force.
That's nuts, dude.
That's sick.
Dude, the props, buddy.
A little sicker if I could toss a fatty over it. I'm gonna go check my spokes.
Yeah. Dude, what the Alright, so I'm hopping on the KX250 after riding my YZ250F for a bit. I gotta say, it feels weird. It feels weird jumping back and forth on those bikes. The Yamaha and the Kawasaki 250Fs truly just feel like two totally different machines. Yamaha and this thing back to back. Oh my goodness, holy shit. That was scary. This thing's suspension definitely isn't anywhere near as good as my Yamaha's. I really think that Yamaha KYB is the better fork. I think this stuff is just too stiff. Power-wise, this thing's got awesome power, dude. Like, this thing rips. I do feel a little bit more stable on my YZ. The Yamaha just feels like somehow more planted. Like front and rear feels more planted. Whew. I definitely think these forks need some drifting around that sand. Yeah, dude, these forks just feel harsh. The forks just feel so harsh on my arms. And I like my bar position on my YZ better. I mean, like, I don't feel bad on this bike. I just absolutely, like, I gel with my YZ more. It feels more comfortable. Like, everywhere on the track, that feels more comfortable than the KX does.